Hello boys and girls, Chris here with CGM Auto Brokers, and I've got a 2015 Flagstaff Classic Super Lite. This is a model 8528CKWSA. As you can see, the awning is in excellent condition. It's got outdoor speakers, excellent tires, they're practically brand new, aluminum wheels. This thing has got 3 slide outs with slide toppers. We got a spare tire, roof access with the ladder. This thing has got 50 amp power. Here's another slide out for you. Full pass-through storage over here on this side, and another closet slide, guys. This thing has no leaks, no soft spots, clean title. This thing is ready to go. So let's get inside and check her out. She is very, very nice. Hey, Sammy, how you doing? Diamond package as well. So as soon as we walk in, we have our main slide out over here. We've got our dinette. We've got our sleeper sofa over here. On the back wall, you could put 2 recliners or another like love seat, little sleeper sofa as well. You have all that storage space up top. You got another vent over here. Entertainment center with storage. Check out the fireplace down below, guys. Entertainment center, USB, Bluetooth, all that good stuff. We do have the cabinetry upgrade in this one. Refrigerator and freezer. This is the medic unit. 3-burner stove, oven, microwave, vent. Check it out, guys. Fan as well. This thing has 2 air conditioning units, plenty of counter space with extra counter space over here. Nice sink. Got a nice closet over here. Very easy to use, guys. Push button with more storage as well. Let's head upstairs. Got a very nice memory foam mattress, another AC unit, more storage, and another closet. We've got USB charging ports and auxiliary power all over this thing. And when we turn around and we go into the bathroom, we've got a glass enclosed shower. We've got a nice vanity with more storage and a commode. And we have access from the bedroom as well as the hallway. And a very tall shower with skylight. You guys don't want to miss out on this one. My name is Chris. We are CGM Auto Brokers. I can be reached at 704-620-8388. Again, 704-620-8388. Visit us online, www.cgmautobrokers.com. Come see us in person. 4708 West Highway 74, Monroe, North Carolina, 28110. Guys, we also offer financing, and we offer transport and delivery as well. So if you guys like these videos, do me a favor. Please like, please subscribe. Send it to your friends. Send it to your relatives, whoever's looking for campers, and we'll make it happen. All right, guys? So remember, most importantly, Jesus loves you guys. Thanks for watching. God bless.